Peace, blessings, and love, family. This is the Elder out of New Orleans coming to you with another great and informative video. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family and mankind. But family, this video going to be about it ain't time for beefing, it's time for unity. I've been watching a lot of beefing going on YouTube, social media, and everywhere else. And we got a common enemy we should be fighting and trying to get away from. But yet black people on YouTube beefing against each other like a bunch of children. That's what they sound like to me, like a bunch of spoiled children get mad at people because you don't believe what they believe and this, that, and the other. When you got the police department killing you at will. When you got they putting chemicals in the food trying to get rid of any way possible. We got a common enemy. Dr. John Henry Clarke Ben said that we have no friends, and we are our worst enemy. Black people just hate each other because that's because of the Willie Lynch effect, syndrome, programming and conditioning. We're in big trouble because we have no unity. We're in big trouble because we are divided with religions and different ideologies, rap music, bad diet. And we ain't gonna make it that way because a house divided will not stand. And the enemy house is falling. And that's where we're supposed to be getting strong. That's where we're supposed to be teaching our children. And that's where we're supposed to be buying some land and creating our own reality, creating our own nation, because we will never, ever get along with these people. These people will never, ever give you reparation. They will never, ever treat you right. This supposed to be 2020, and it seemed like 1930 in America. But yet, a lot of our people still loving and caring and buck dancing and cooning for Mr. Charlie and Miss Becky when they have no love or compassion or empathy. And our greatest downfall is no unity, no love, no compassion, no empathy for each other. And long we stay in that mindset, we're going to be at the bottom of the totem pole. That's right, family. But family, we're going to cut this video short, put up the likes and shares. We're going to try to do a live stream around 9:30, 10 o'clock tonight. Peace, blessings, and love. Put up the likes and shares, and stay tuned until the elder get back. And I'm out.